If you want to send events through WhatsApp, you can do that. When you're sending events, the event's location, date, everything will be included, and you can even host online events via WhatsApp call. Anyway, in this video, we'll explain how to send events through WhatsApp. So, for this, open the WhatsApp application. Then select the contact you want to send the event to. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, down here, you'll see a button like this pin like button. Just click on it, and you'll see the event option. Click on event. When you click that, you'll need to enter the event name. You can type any name you want, and there's a description option here. If you'd like, you can add a description, it's optional. Next, you'll see the event start time. There's a calendar option, click it and pick a date. Then click here to select. For example, I'm setting this time. And if you want to set an end time, click add end time, and you can add it here. To add a location, click add location, and you can choose a location from here. You'll also see a WhatsApp call link. If your event is via WhatsApp call, just turn this on and select the call type. You can set it to video or voice, for example, I'm setting it to video. If you want others to invite their guests, you can turn this on. Or, if you don't want others to invite guests, you can turn it off. After that, click the send button. Once you click it, the event will be sent. Here, you'll see all the details of the event. So, that's how you can easily send an event through WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.